This is what I look like after my car accident, and as you can see, it was painful and lost all my confidence. I never wanted to smile. I never wanted to go out until I luckily found Dr. Carimi. He changed all that. Dr. Carimi gave me two options. One would be implants, and the second one was the bridge. He explained everything in depth and why each one would benefit me. So I went with the bridge because I had a lot of damage from the car accident. Since I got the procedure done, I'm able to eat a lot of more foods that I weren't able to eat before, smile a lot more. My confidence has gone through the roof because I have a great smile now. I mean, I owe him the world. I would give him the world over and again. I mean, for someone who has been trying to find a dentist for so long and has had trouble, to just be able to find one that has actually remarkable, I don't even know how to repay them.